Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both controllers and accounts ready. This matters because split screen binds players to different input devices. Once your second controller is connected, sign in to a local or guest profile so the game recognizes a second player. Now open the world you will use or create one with multiplayer enabled. Make sure multiplayer and split screen settings are on. This first step ensures both players load into the same instance, which is essential for meeting up quickly. Once both players are in, sync where you spawn so you have a shared reference. Landmarks help because split screen limits view and can disorient you. Make sure one player holds position while the other scouts. This prevents accidental separation. Open the map or enable coordinates if your game version allows it. Marking a rendezvous point on the map or using a distinct landmark reduces search time. Doing this keeps both players oriented and speeds up reconnection when someone wanders off. Now converge on the chosen meeting point. Use the sun, compass, or map markers to head straight there and move at a steady pace so you don't overshoot each other. Once together, light torches or build a small, visible shelter to make the spot obvious later. This both secures the area and gives you a fallback. If someone gets lost, pause and use respawn points, beds, or coordinates to return to the rendezvous. This troubleshooting tip fixes most split-screen separation issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.